As you can see here, there are 10 topics. So the first one is situation vacant and wanted. You already know about it. We have discussed this. In this, you have to specify the post and number of vacancies, qualities of the person requires, name of the company, whatever is required for that. Next is lost and found. Lost and found is also really very easy. You have to mention about the thing that is lost and found, so you have to begin with that, and then you have to write the description, that how did it looked and what you have found, so how that looks, and when and where the article was lost and found, reward for the finding, everything you have to mention, same as you do in your notice, lost and found. And the third is sale and purchase. So for sale and purchase is what? When you are selling something like second hand thing, you are selling like a car or motorbike, and if you want to purchase, so that is sale and purchase. Accommodation wanted here means that when you want any house on rent, means you want to live somewhere, so you want that accommodation. Then fifth is educational. So for educational, it can be anything. It can be for schools, it can be for coaching classes. Sixth is placement services. Now placement services is something what, if I will give you the example so you can understand, like Naukri.com. So they all act as a placement services. You just upload, you give your resume and CV, and what they do, they find the best job that suits you, and after that you have to decide whether you have to take the job or not. Then seventh is matrimonial. Matrimonial also you are very clear with it. That is means if a girl is needed for a boy or a boy is needed for a girl. Then number 8, to let, when you are accommodating a house on rent. Then number 9 is packers and movers. So now what does packers and movers means? Packers and movers here means that when you are shifting from one place to another, so you have to shift your things also, your all materials, your all stuffs. So you need packers and movers, means everything. It is not possible for you to take it by train, so you take help of these service. And number 10 is travel and tours. Now you'll think, miss, what is difference between packers and movers and travel and tours? So packers and movers is here that they will pack your items and they will move to the place where you want them to move. And travel and tours here means that if you want to make a tour of any place, so what are you, whom are you going to contact? Like nowadays, you know that traveling and tourist agencies, where you can go and you can ask that if you want to make a trip to Manali, so what are the terms, what are the ways to go to there, the hotels, everything. So those are travels and tours.